Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to personalize email templates with merge fields here in Copper CRM. Okay, so first up, go ahead and go to the top left, click on your profile. Now click on either workspace settings or email settings. Okay, under workspace settings, you can go ahead and click on personal preferences right here. Click on it. Now you will have email settings and templates. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, you have the option My Templates. Okay, and this tab, click on it. Now what you'll do is just go ahead and click on Create Template. Now go ahead and give this template a name, okay? Personalized email, for example. Okay, and if you want to, you could go ahead and choose to work with AI, okay? But if you want to add in your email manually, like for example, hi, you would want to include the first name, right? Maybe hi, just type down hash, like so. As you can see, we have person merge, sender, pipeline merge, and company merge as well. So let's say first name for the person, okay? Like, hi, Ryan, okay? Now go ahead and add in your paragraph. Maybe I am, hash, scroll down, a sender name, or first name. Maybe I would like to inform you that we have a maybe promotion in our company, okay? Don't miss this out. All right. Now you would end it like yours truly, just for example. Okay. Another one, hash, maybe the sender company name. There you go. And once done, you're good to go. You can go ahead and customize this one however you want. Add in some photos if you want to. Make it bold, italicized, underlined, you name it. And once that's done, don't forget about the subject. Okay. Promotion. There you go. Hit on save and you're good to go. All right. And there you have it. That is how you personalize email templates here with the merge fields in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.